This company has made
magic legs.
This is called the Power Knee from Y Robot, and they've created a lightweight exoskeleton that gives power to your knees. If you got bad knees, this can help with walking.
I can feel them kind of pushing me forward.
Running.
Oh, you got power still?
Hiking.
Toodaloo.
Sitting.
Wow.
Or anything that you do where you bend your knee.
Oh.
These have even helped with my buddy's sister-in-law who struggles with muscular dystrophy. I'll get into that later, but first I want to talk about how well these help you hike.
Now I'm gonna go climb some hills, which is what these things were meant to do, and that is about a 15% grade. Never in my life have I ever been excited to climb a hill.
This does have an app, and in it I set it to auto mode, which will adjust and give you power as needed. And the help comes from the pads under your thighs. That's where it gives you lift. That's where the boost comes from.
So as you bend down and you stand back up, it pushes you.
And let the climb begin. And I feel like I'm walking up this hill with immense speed.
Now these don't make it super easy to hike.
I am out of breath, so it doesn't do all the work for you. It's not designed to do that. It's just designed to make it a little bit less taxing on your knees. And here I am. And look at what delightful thing awaits me.
Once I made it to the top, I headed back down and was pretty surprised with the difference I felt.
You get like anti-resistance now. It does take some pressure off the knees.
I knew these had more power and I didn't feel like I was getting it from auto mode, and so I used the plus button to take it up to level 4, which is the highest mode.
Oh man, holy crap. Okay, if you're gonna go hiking up a hill, screw auto mode, just go full power on 4. That thing is just boosting me up, holy crap. Let's go. The straps are almost moving. That's how much power it's giving. Oh, that is crazy. It's like when you're a little kid hiking with your parents and your parents are just kind of pushing you on your back to get up the mountain. That's what these are. Now coming down, let's see what happens. What? It's putting pressure on the different part of the strap. So now I'm feeling it right below my calf muscle. That's a little bit tricky to describe what's happening.
I wanted to take this to the next level, so I looked around and went to the tallest hill I could see.
And the climb begins. Oh my gosh. What the freak? Man, the slower I go, the more power these things have. Never have I been so excited to climb a steeper hill than the one that I just climbed. Holy crap, if you guys have knee problems, you gotta get these. Oh my gosh, holy crap, woo.
Once I made it to the top, there was just one thing to do.
All right, time to come down. I'm pretty excited to see how this is gonna work.
Found out that the steeper the hill was, the more power these things gave.
When you're going down, it kicks your foot out for you. And that way you're landing when it's more straight, because if you got pressure on your knee when it's bent, I don't know too much about knees, but I feel like that's a bad thing. If I didn't have pride in the fact that people would see me wear these and make fun of me a little bit, I would wear these all the time. And I am down. Okay, okay, well, how? Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Wow, okay, I got nothing else to say.
All right, well, it's time to find out how well these work for just doing stuff around the house.
Take some stairs. It's a long ways up there. Bam. Oh my gosh. Wow, I think stairs is probably the thing that I've done where I can feel the most power. Going up, you can really feel the power, like you have a ton of help. Coming down, it just takes the edge off.
Pretty cool, but how about sitting and standing?
Do we get some help sitting down? Yes, you do. What about sitting up? Oh yeah. Wow, good resistance coming down. And then as I'm sitting here 3 or 4 seconds, the tension subsides, it releases. So that way the straps aren't, pressing up against your skin. And then standing up, yeah, wow, that just rockets you up.
I had a few chores to do around the house, so I decided to see if they were gonna help me with that.
Big old heavy pumpkin, here we go. Oh, that is a difference. Oh man, that is crazy.
I wanted to try one more thing, so I headed to my garage.
I gotta see if these are gonna work if you wanna go on a bike. And so I have an e-bike right there that is almost 90 pounds. And I'm gonna leave the power off and see if these knees are gonna help me to pedal that thing down the road. Oh, it's a big bike. I have no idea if that's what these can be used for, but we're gonna find out. This is a tad precarious. Heave, heave. Oh, I don't know if it's gonna do it. Oh, I gotta put it in easier gear. Okay, here we go. We're in gear 1 now. It's doing it. It is doing it. What the freak? Gear 2. As my knees bend, it gives me power. It's not doing it for me by any means, but it is helping. Exoskeleton suit for all of your activities outside. Walking, running, hiking, and biking.
Now these are more than just helping you walk, hike, or do anything where you bend your knee. They also have a massage feature. It's not a true massage. It doesn't massage like you think something would massage your legs, but it does vibrate and move them pretty good.
It actually feels pretty good. This is nice. This is very nice.
All right, so that was the relaxing side of things. What about the workout side?
And if I understand this correctly, this should make it harder to walk up this hill. Okay, no, I do not like this. What the freak? Feels like I'm wearing 15-pound weights on each leg. Holy crap. I'm not even halfway up and I'm already deep breathing. Holy crap, okay. I made it that far and I'm breathing deeper than I have the other 10 times I've walked up this hill to test these out and to film. So that should give you an idea of how good a resistance these things have. Going down, I can't really tell what's happening. I don't really feel anything different. I do have the jello legs though. Even walking flat with the resistance on the highest level, I got some pressure. Like it is more difficult to walk. A lot of people like to do what my wife and I call their hot girl walks.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours.
Well, here you got the weighted vest, well, the weighted legs, and then you have an extra level of resistance. I have decided that I do not like the workout mode. Who wants to work out when you walk? Come on.
Okay, we're gonna take a pause out from doing stuff around the house, and I wanna talk about my buddy's sister-in-law with the muscular dystrophy. Once I put the device on her, I set it to level 1 and had her stand up.
Let's go level 4 then. Yeah.
Oh,
Did you feel any resistance?
I did. So let's try this. Oh, I felt that.
You did feel that one? Yeah.
That was nice.
So these do feel a little bit weird when you first put them on. It's a little bit unnatural to have power assist you as you're bending your knee. But after a few times of sitting and standing and actually working with the power, it really started to help her. So we decided to try some stairs.
Oh, that does help.
Does it help?
It does.
It's a weird feeling. Yep. I gotcha.
She did stumble a little bit on the first 5 stairs because, again, she was trying to get used to the power. But a few steps later, she got the hang of it. I let go of her and she just cruised up the stairs.
Oh, now you're cruising. Nice.
Which is crazy because she told me before we tried this exercise that she has to plan her day of when to go up and down the stairs because she can't do it by herself. She told me that when she was coming down the stairs that she felt that the device was learning how she moves.
I think it's actually getting used to how I'm moving.
Really?
Because I feel like it's kicking in at the right moments better than it was.
I don't think they built any AI into the device to do that. I think it was more of her just getting used to how this works. Before I left, I did give them to her and she was pretty happy to have them. Before that happened, I did have a chance to walk around my neighborhood, walk on the trail, and I want to talk about that for a second.
Babes, I'm gonna go for a power walk. She's a little bit sick today. Get better soon.
Okay.
So we can power walk together.
Always, yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, just getting my power walking on. Here we go.
I first put them on level 1.
Kind of hard to tell if there's any help. I mean, I'm also on a flat trail here, so not really inclining at all. Only thing I feel are the straps hitting my skin. But what's interesting is when I stop, it's like it helps my legs straighten out. Only thing I can liken it to is a horse locking its legs when it sleeps, and it actually relieves some pressure, I'm not gonna lie. I could stand like this for a few hours. If only I had these when I was working the road shows at Blendtec. And the Costco's would have been different. Still walking on the flat trail. This is mode 2. Feels about the same as mode 1. This is mode 3, which is the same as 1 and 2, but now this is 4. Okay, now I can actually feel a little bit of boost.
When I really noticed the power was when I went off-road.
The reaction time of the motor and how sensitive it is just insane. It changes and reacts depending on a little tiny divot or rut in the road.
Well, they work pretty good when walking, but how about running?
Oh, you got power still?
When I ran up the hill, I really felt the power come on because that's a very steep hill, and the more your knee bends, the more power you get.
I need to go find me somebody to race up this hill. 100%, I would beat him.
When I took off running through the weeds, I could feel it, but it wasn't nearly as powerful as when I was climbing up the hill. All right, so now I want to talk about a few things that I've learned as I wore these the last couple of days.
Pull up the pants. When you wear these, you want to make sure you put a belt on because it does weigh the pants down a little bit. You got over a pound on this leg, over a pound on this leg, and then battery banks, probably another 2 or 3 pounds.
There's 2 battery banks, and you can charge them at the same time. I just didn't put that second one in. And it takes around 3 to 4 hours for a full charge. And when they are fully charged, you can put them in and take them out as you're wearing the device. It's like you're a gunslinger. I wanted to know if it was comfortable as you were driving, so I hopped in, Only bad part about sitting down is that the batteries are a little bit big, and so kind of pushes you out. Not the most comfortable. Now, if there was only a way to make these smaller so you could fit them underneath your pants so nobody could tell you were wearing them and then go play sports, that would be a game changer. After wearing this for a couple of hours, it does get a little bit sweaty because the pads are pretty big and thick. I just took them off, and my waist is a little bit sweaty, especially back in the back. I didn't realize how big of an effect these had as I was just walking, but when I took them off, my legs were pretty weak. It's like that feeling when you've been on a cruise for a few days and then you get off and you feel like the world is still shaking. Okay, so these guys say that this can last up to 5 hours, and you can climb up to 8,200 feet on a single charge, and these are designed for a bunch of different shapes and sizes. Got a list right here. You can fit a person with a waist of 28 to 48 inches, a height of 5'1 to 6'4, a thigh of 15 to 26 inches, a calf of 14 to 19 inches, and a weight of 110 to 265 pounds. You got a 1-year warranty, an IP54 rating, and in the app, it shows you step-by-step of how to put this on. There is a process. You want to follow it to make sure that everything is where it's supposed to be. I gotta say, I'm actually very impressed with how well these worked. I was not expecting it to work as well as it did. So if you have bad knees, if you wanna hike like you did in your 20s, or if you know somebody that has a tough time getting around, I think these would help. If you wanna check them out, I got the link in the bio. And if you like this video and you wanna see some other cool tech that I've done, I got a couple videos right up there. So go check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.